Hello, fifth graders. So you have just watched a video about summarizing. So today our reading practices, we are going to summarize together. So I'm going to show you an example that I created, and then I'm going to read you another chapter of the book, Can You Tell a Cheetah from a Leopard? And we are going to watch this, watch what is happening on here with me summarizing. So built for speed, built for power. Cheetahs and leopards look a lot alike. They are both large spotted cats. Both are predators. They hunt other animals for food. Can you tell cheetah and leopards apart? Cheetahs are built for speed. They have long, skinny bodies. They run fast. They can run as fast as cars can drive on a highway. To run that fast, a cheetah needs to breathe a lot of air, so a cheetah's nose openings are large. Still, a cheetah can only run a short distance. Cheetahs chase animals that are nearby. A cheetah races on long legs in 4 strides and leaps the length of a basketball court. A cheetah travels that far in 1 second. Leopards are bigger than cheetahs. Their bodies are stronger and their paws are huge. A leopard runs fast, but it can't run as fast as a cheetah. A leopard's legs are shorter than a cheetah's. Its body is heavier. Leopards use their strength to catch a meal. They sneak up on animals, then they pounce. A cheetah turns quickly to follow its prey. Prey are the animals a cheetah hunts. A cheetah's long tail helps it to balance. Its sharp claws and hard paws grip the ground. Look at this cheetah's head. It looks small. A small head gives a sleek shape like a race car. Look at this leopard's head. Large head. It has a strong, thick neck. A leopard's powerful jaw snaps shut on its prey. Leopards are great climbers. Sharp claws grip tree trunks. Long tails help them balance, just as cheetahs' tails do. So right now, you're going to pause your computer. Think in your head right now, what is the main idea of what Miss Medke just read? Well, I'm going to give you an example to go along with your video that you watched. So, one main idea in the story is that cheetahs and leopards have similar body shapes, which is a reason why people confuse the two animals, but they actually have many differences. For example, cheetahs have long, skinny bodies that make them fast when running and chasing other animals, but only for short distances. Also, they have a large nose opening because they need to breathe large amounts of air. But in addition, leopards have strong bodies and huge paws. Leopards are very sneaky to catch their prey to eat with big jaws. So that is what my main idea was. You are now going to listen to this second part, hide and seek, and then we are going to see, and you are going to go off and write what you think the main idea is with that same idea that I had here, talking one main idea, for example, also, and in addition. So let's hear it. Hide and seek. Spots help animals to hide. Oval-shaped spots cover this cheetah's body. Its face has only a few spots. In tall grass, the cheetah seems to disappear. A leopard has spots on its body and its face. The spots are in groups. The groups form a rose shape. These spots let leopards hide in shady places. Sometimes leopards hide on leafy branches. They can drop from a tree to catch a meal. Some leopards have black fur. Black leopards live in the rainforest. There, trees grow close together. Sunlight does not reach the ground. Black fur makes leopards hard to see in the rainforest. All right, your time is now. Go find what the main idea was of what I just read. Create your ideas and submit your homework.